Good morning, all my friends in Coombs, Hilliers, Arrington, Whiskey Creek, and Meadowood. I'm Susan Pierce. I'm the Parksville Librarian, and I'm joined by ACRA, Aerosmith Community Recreation Association. Hello, Tracy. How are you this morning?
Hi, Susan. I'm doing great. I am a recreation coordinator with ACRA, and I work alongside Kristine.
Hello, my name is Kristine Stephenson. So Susan, I understand that today we are making bubble wands.
Yes. So our theme this month is unicorns and bubbles to celebrate summer. So you may have watched our first video, which is a unicorn and bubble story time. So in order to make that story time even more fun, you can make your own bubble wand. So when we do the bubbles story time portion, you will have a bubble wand and some homemade solution to blow bubbles with. So what you will need to make your own bubble wand is a pipe cleaner. And you will need some beads. They can be pony beads or various kinds of beads. First step, what you will do is you will take your pipe cleaner and you will bend it in half. And as you bend it in half, you're going to cross each of the sides over so you get a little circle at the top. And then you're going to use your fingers to hold that little circle while you twist at the bottom. So you're going to twist it all the way down. If you want to make a different shape than a circle at the top, you can make a diamond, you can make a star. A good tip is you can use cookie cutters actually to put inside of your pipe cleaner and then shape the pipe cleaner top around the cookie cutter and then twist your wand line. So now we can move on to step 2, which is putting some beads onto our wand. So you can choose all different colors of beads. You can make a pattern, or you can just put random colors of beads on there, whatever suits you. You'll probably need about 12 or 13 beads in total to put onto your wand.
I was pretty excited to see my daughter had some star-shaped beads and
I love those.
Butterfly beads.
You can also get beads with letters on them. So if you want to put your name on your bubble wand so you'll know which one is yours, say you have a family and you're each going to make one, you can put your names on them with the beads. So once you've put all your beads on, the third step is to twist the bottom and then twist it up so that your beads won't fall off. And then the next and final step is to make your bubble solution. So we have written out bubble solution and put it on a template that will be on the website. Basically, you can make your own bubble solution. It's water and dish soap, and if you have it, glycerin. So glycerin is what makes bubbles really big and stable. So if you want to add that component, you can. Glycerin can be found in natural health food stores, such as Naked Naturals in the Oceanside area. You can find veggie glycerin. So once you mix up your solution.
And Susan, I'll just say, I didn't have glycerin or corn syrup, but I found a recipe where you could just add a little bit of sugar to your warm water and it dissolves and should do the same trick.
That's right. Good point, Tracy. So we mix up our solution and then you take your bubble wand and you stick it into the solution. And then the moment of truth, you can try blowing some bubbles. There we go.
Those are beautiful big bubbles, Susan.
They are. Glycerin sure does the trick if you want to put it in. Thank you, Kristine and Tracy, for helping us do this tutorial on bubble wand making and bubble solution. We hope you enjoyed it and you can use your bubble wand and bubble solution in our storytime video. Thanks to all our friends from Arrington, Coombs, Whiskey Creek, Hilliers, and Meadowood.